you see me knock down those pins? Bowling is a sport where you use a big bowling ball and you roll it on the ground to knock down some pins. I decided to be the bowling ball today. Oh, but I didn't get all the pins. Will you help me knock down the rest? Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go!
Hey, look at these colorful blocks. Huh, they're kind of set up like bowling pins. I wonder what kind of ball would knock these blocks over. Nope. What about this one? This is a fun yellow ball. All right, let's see if this one will work. Whoa! Wow, that's a really bouncy ball. It bounced right off the pin. Let's see how many I knocked over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, that's pretty good. Ooh, what about this basketball? I wonder if it's too bouncy to knock any of these blocks over. Let's see. Oh! Yep, I knocked over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if the soccer ball can knock any blocks over. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow! I knocked over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. I wonder what else we could do to knock these blocks down. Rawr, 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 rawr. Yeah, I did it! I knocked all the pins over, and in bowling when that happens, it's called a strike! Strike! 5, 6, 7, 8, and now it's time to celebrate. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Here we go. Basketball star Meekah going for the hoop. Oh, I missed it. That's okay. I'm gonna keep practicing. Now we're gonna try the green basketball. See, I was trying to use the backboard to help me get it in, and it still didn't work. Well, I have 2 balls left. The yellow basketball, maybe this is the one. Yes! Should I try the last one? Maybe this time I'll do a slam dunk. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Wow! I got the skills. I'm just being silly. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Didn't get it in. Oh, here's another one. It's yellow. Maybe I'll try and throw it backwards. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoopsie! 1, 2, 3. Ah! There's one more ball. Okay, how should I do this one? Maybe I'll do one giant bounce and a turn for finesse. Ready? 1. Oh, I still didn't get it in. That's okay.
Whoa, check out how high it bounces. Whoa, boing, boing. Yeah, a basketball is much lighter than a bowling ball, so it bounces higher. Woo! Hey, will you pretend to be a bouncing basketball with me? Okay, bounce as high as you can. Boing, boing, boing. Woo! Will you count the basketballs with me? Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And look. Hey, is this a basketball? No, this is a soccer ball. Did you know that when basketball was invented, it wasn't played with a basketball, it was played with a soccer ball? Wow, that's hard to imagine. Let's shoot a soccer ball like the olden days into the basketball hoop. Hey, this doesn't belong here anymore. Let's find where it does belong. Check it out. We found where the soccer ball belongs. It's not a soccer field. It kind of looks like a beach. Yeah, we can play soccer on the beach. Hey, I could use this as a goal. And check it out. It's my 2 favorite colors, yellow and purple. Hey, will you count how many goals I make? Great! Yeah! 1 goal! Let's try another. 2 goals! Goal! Let's see if we can get a third. Whoa! We got 3 goals! Okay, time for number, that's right, 4. Oh, this is a lot of work. We just made 4 goals. Great job, friend. Whew, that was a lot of work using my legs to make those goals and being silly too.
I found one, a soccer goal. We have our soccer ball and our soccer goal, so now we can really play soccer. So in soccer, you want to get the ball into the goal, but you can't use your hands. You can use your feet, you can use your knees. Wait a second, there's more balls over here. I wonder if I can get all of them into the goal. Here we go. Boop. Oh yeah, goal. Let's see if I can kick this tiny little ball into the goal. Boop. Yes, goal. All right, in you go. Yeah, whoa, that was a big one. Goal. That was too light of a kick, but don't worry, I have it in me. Here we go. Goal! See, I knew I could do it. Goal! And now is the time for the official soccer kick. I'm using a soccer ball. I'm using a soccer goal. 1. Goal! Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about.